Hey everyone, so this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing unboxing of Xiaomi Mi Pad 4. I got it today and there is a giveaway, so please watch the video till the end. So you can see the Snapdragon 660 8-inch screen and the battery is 6000 mAh and this variant is 4GB 64GB storage. So let's open it and begin our video.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So let's open it and see what's inside. So here is our Mi Pad 4. I bought the black color. So about the charger, this phone doesn't support quick charge, so Xiaomi provide 5V 2A normal charger, but there's one good thing, this one have USB type USB-C, and in this envelope we can find a SIM injector tool and some manuals which is in Chinese. So the USB cable is type C, you can see, so it's a good thing. So let's talk about Mi Pad 4. So on the top we have 3.5mm jack and a mic. On the left side we have a SIM tray tool, and on the bottom one speaker, one mic and USB-C charging port. So we have no fingerprint sensor on this one and one rear camera. So let's begin it. So MIUI 9, language to Chinese, English, and to I don't know. Choose time zone Shanghai, Hong Kong, so Shanghai. So I will skip the setup. So here is our Mi Pad 4. So let's see the features first in the setting. So the Snapdragon 660, battery 6000, rear camera 13 megapixel, screen size 8-inch, resolution 1920 by 1200 and RAM is 4GB. So MIUI version 9.6, Android version 8.1, RAM 4GB, CPU octa-core 2.20 GHz, and available storage is 52GB out of 64GB. So we don't have fingerprint sensor lock, so but let's see, we have face lock. Yeah, we have face unlock. Let's try it. So let's see how fast is it. Yeah, it's quick. So now let's check Antutu benchmark of this tablet. So let's see my device. Oh, the test begin. So let's see the test begin and then we can check the device specification again. So after skipping the benchmark test, the score is 136,573. So it's not a bad score for a mid-range tablet. Let's see the specification in Antutu benchmark. So Snapdragon 660, Android version 8.1, CPU same one, Adreno 512, resolution 1200 by 1920, rear camera 13 megapixel, RAM 3742, available is 1855. So CPU Snapdragon 660 and core CPU cores are 8, density 320 dpi, pixel density 284 ppi. So let's see the multi-touch, how many touch we can do. So we can do 10 times easily. So about the battery, 6010 mAh, rear camera 13 megapixel and front camera 5 megapixel, NFC not supported. Now let's see the video quality of this tab.
Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
So the sound is really good and the video quality is also very good. So let's see the camera. So this phone have rear camera of 13 megapixel and front camera of 5 megapixel. Rear camera aperture is 2.0 and the front camera is also 2.0. We have not so many options, just some filters in it. This camera doesn't support 4K, only the rear camera support 1080p video, full HD. So you can see the quality is not so good, but as a tablet we mostly don't click so many pictures with it. 13 megapixel is not so bad, you can say. So this phone support HDR and highlight skin tones. So in the setting you can see there are very few options we have. So let's talk about the front camera. Front camera is 5 megapixel with f2.0 aperture. So I'll just click a picture. Not bad. So about the video quality also, we don't have any option, no flashlight and nothing like that. There is no setting in it, you can see. So lastly, let's play PUBG. So let's see the setting. So we can play this game in high definition with ultra setting but no HDR. So our match begin. So it's going smoothly, no lag. So here we jump. Yeah, it's very smooth. So the Snapdragon 660 works well, but the screen size is a little big to handle and play. I'm not habitual of playing games in 8-inch tablet. So till now I really like this Mi Pad 4. They have 3 variant, 3GB, 4GB, and the last one is we can use the SIM card in it, but it is not available for sale till now. Only 2 are available, 3GB and 4GB variant. If you won't do any review about this Mi Pad 4, you can write your message on my Instagram or here on this video, so I will do it as soon as possible. I'm really little busy these days on my work, so my videos are a little late. So Nokia X6 giveaway is done and the winner is Millie Macra, so I'm waiting for her message. So after that giveaway, a new giveaway is on of this Mi Pad 4. I will give this giveaway on 25th of July, so please comment and follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow, you are ineligible for the giveaway, and you have to comment and like on my every video till 25th of July. So stay tuned and follow me.